Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Tell you guys, I got my Walmart beauty box in the mail. You hear it? Let's see if this has got a label on it. Okay, this is Summer 2023, version 3, and then it's got some numbers on it, 87065.3. So that's what that is, right there. If that means anything, I don't know. This is what it looks like when it comes to you. It's all shrink wrapped. It's very loud. All right, let's see what this version 3 looks like. Okay, here we go. Here is the little card with details of possibly some of the stuff, possibly in your box. Sometimes you get lucky and nearly everything is in there, and sometimes you get like one item that's in here and the rest is not on there. It's real weird. It's very hit or miss. Okay, let's see. First thing out of here is Scoochies. These are these itty bitty little hair bands. Very cute. I actually use thicker, bigger hair bands, so I don't know that I would actually keep those. Probably find somebody that uses ones that are this size. They're pretty little. The ones I use actually are pretty big sized. So that's a nice product. I do like the Scoochie brand for my hair bands. I just get thicker ones than this. So these are the no damage elastic stretch nylon hair bands in black, full size, 25, and it's $2.17. So that's nice. It's got this little bonus ring that you can keep your bands on, and this is how you get your bands in. There's a little access point right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, oh, and then we get a Vitamask vegan collagen lip mask, moisturize and plump. That's nice, a little lippy mask. This is $2.97 for this single mask, so you could find them in the store, $2.97 for that. That's nice. All right, we've got something here. Number 7, Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum. 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce is hypoallergenic. This looks nice, a little skincare. See if we can find this on here. Is it on here? Number 7, there it is. Face serum, it does say product will vary on here, but it says full size is anywhere from $19.99 to $24.98. It depends on what product you got, so I don't really know how much this one is, but I'm happy to get that. So far, this has been good value to this box. So this box is, if I remember, like $6.97 plus whatever your tax is, your state and any local taxes you might have. For me, it goes up to be about $7, right around $7.50, $7.40-ish, somewhere in there. Okay, then we got these Mani Tuck to Go reusable nail set. Now, these never fit me, and I usually find somebody to give those to because I got larger hands. I'm a tall girl. Salon Perfect. I see Sally Hansen on here, but is Salon Perfect on here? I don't think so. So this is not in here. They do have a Sally Hansen nail thing, but they don't. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I found it, you guys. Here they are. A full size, which this is $4.94 for 30 nails. This is the Salon Perfect Mani to Go press-on nail set. It says shades will vary. And is there anything in particular? It says the shade. Mani on the Move. Well, it's a very pretty color. It's a very pretty color. So that's $4.94. One more item, and it's from NYX. NYX Professional Makeup Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream. 0.05 fluid ounces or 1.6 milliliters. That's cute. Now, it says a full size of this would be $7.97. It's pretty obvious this is kind of more of a sample size. Let's take a look at the color. This is probably not a color I'm going to be real thrilled about. Oh, she's bold. I don't really do a bold lip. I'm not going to swatch it because I'll probably give it to somebody. It's pretty bold for me, but I do like NYX usually, so that looks nice. It definitely is a matte lip cream, so it looks like it would be kind of drying on the lips. I don't know, but a full size of this would be $7.97. So that's my box. Good value in this, I think. Got that. This, I think, is good value. This is anywhere from $19.99 to about $25. That's a great value. The full size, it's a shame they don't fit, but you guys, I've got First of all, press-on nails and me don't go very well. They would last about 15 seconds out in the barn, but that's a pretty good deal, I think, for press-ons. And I know a lot of the ladies on here do use those. I'm always happy to get another mask. That's a lip mask. That's a good deal, just under $3. And then, you know, I can't complain. They're just not the size that I use. I will guarantee you I will never use these because they're so thin. So I'll find somebody to give those to as well. But I think it's a good value in this box. I'm pretty happy with this for less than $10. And that includes mailing to you. So like the whole cost of this box includes shipping it to you. So it's really good value because it probably costs them almost $5 to ship this. It's not heavy this month. Some months they are pretty heavy, so it's going to cost some more to ship it. But all right, let me know what you guys think. If you get Walmart's summer box and you've gotten it, what version did you get? This one is version 3. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think of it. Yeah, and have a good one, guys. Short and sweet this video is. Take care. I've got a lot of videos yet to make before I leave. And of course, try to keep an eye on my channel. I'm hoping to do some vlogging while we're on our trip. So that could be a lot of fun. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.